do nas.
Hello fellow Brotorheads, we're going to film the FD with some 90s equipment. These guys have got a VHS camera and we're gonna do some shots of it on this deserted patch of asphalt. And I thought I'd film a vlog as well. The car isn't ready yet, it still needs a dyno tune. This guy is selling it again for some reason, so you can get it if you want it. Methanol injection is on its way, if not on the car already. So it should be running at 550, maybe 600 when the dyno tune is ready. We're about to do some drone shots. They've connected the VHS camera to an FPV drone. So we're gonna do some runs right now. So after filming a couple of drone shots, the guys are gonna film a nice launch, and I get the feeling that the camera guy is gonna lose his hearing for a bit. Yeah, two-step all the way. Look at these guys, they're so enthusiastic. So right now the guys are filming some shots in the parking lot. They had a bit of fun. So why are you selling the car, man? Why?
I'm not selling it, it's just up for sale.
There's a difference, huh?
Yeah, there's a huge difference.